So I don't know if there's anything more frustrating than having a really large document that you either scanned in or found as a PDF online and having one bit of it, either the title, the date, or like a piece of information that you want to get rid of, but you can't because it's not a Google Doc or it's not a Word document. But I have the perfect website that would help you with this. For example, like a 53 page document that I had has the answers at the bottom, and I would like to cover that up. So the website is called PDF Escape, and it is a lifesaver. And all you have to do is search PDF Escape and drop a PDF right there, or choose the file. So I'm going to put my file right there. It uploads really quickly. And now I can decide what I want to do. You can add text, you can add an image, white something out, freehand, put a line, a rectangle, a check mark. That's actually really helpful. Say you had a rubric and you scanned it in and you wanted to check mark certain like things on your rubric, you can put a little check mark in there. I've done that before, but I figured I could just cover up the solution with a rectangle, and I could really quickly insert that right over it. But it's now red. I'm just gonna make the fill white and the border white, and now you don't see it anymore. And I can actually scroll through all of my pages and put the exact same white box right over all of the answers. So you didn't want to cover the source, but you just wanted to cover the answers. Obviously you can do that as well. If you wanted to add text, say it was like a PDF you needed to fill out, and then you can just email it back to whomever. Wherever you put your cursor, you can just type there. Okay, but my color is white, so I'm gonna make it black. So I can put just a little X in the box if I wanted to fill out this as an answer key, or if I needed to type any text, you can do that. You can change the font. So say you needed it to look like a signature, you can do a signature text and then, change the size. Sorry, that's quite small. And say, here's the check mark feature. You can just put that there. Then you could change the size of the check mark. You can move it around. Obviously a line, pretty basic. Form fields. You can create a form out of any document. Okay, you can circle something. Okay, or put an oval. And then you can have no fill. You can freehand. It's just gonna look like scribbles. And you can white something out. Okay, so that was the same little box that I created. But it's really, really straightforward. Once you've annotated or filled in or added check marks, you can save it, or you can click Save and Download PDF. So obviously this is kind of weird, but save and download, and you're all set. Okay, the edits that we made would be on the pages right there. All right, so that's how to use PDF Escape. I hope that may help you or save you if you ever need it someday. Thanks for watching.